Yogi Surajnath, Guru Budhanath Ji, with Gorakh Sabadis, the sayings of Gorakhnath. Sabdi number 285. जाके हृदय दया न आई, सो तो कहिए प्रकट कसाई, दया विहुना दो जग जाय, सती सती भाषे गोरखराय। जाके हृदय दया न आई, सो तो कहिए प्रकट कसाई, दया विहुना दो जग जाय, सती सती भाषे गोरखराय। Translation by Bhagwan Nath and Surajnath. No compassion in his heart, I say, he is really a butcher. With no compassion, he is in the world of duality. True, true, says Gorakh Rai. Some explanation in both Hindi and English. हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में कुछ स्पष्टीकरण। यह शब्दी नंबर 285, 285 और इसके पहले की 284 नंबर की शब्दी, ये दोनों एक ही मूल की है, एक ही बात है। This sabadi number 285 and the earlier sabadi 284, both are of the same nature, same sense, the same sense. So, जाके हृदय दया न आई, जब हृदय में दया करुणा नहीं जागती है। दया करुणा समानार्थी शब्द है। मर्सी कंपैशन आर सिनोनिमस वर्ड्स। जब तक हृदय में दया नहीं जागती है, दया करुणा नहीं जागती है, तो वो तो प्रकट कसाई रहना है, होना है। और इसके पहले की शब्दी में देखिए आप, इसका बारीकी से स्पष्टीकरण मिलेगा इस बात का। दया विहुना दो जग जाए, ये बात नहीं है इसमें। दया विहुना, दया के बिना दो जग में, द्वैत में, राग द्वेष में, भूत भविष्य में, काल हमेशा द्वयी में चलता है। ये द्वैतवाद, अद्वैतवाद, विशिष्ट द्वैत, विशिष्ट अद्वैत, अद्वैतवाद वगैरह का वाद नहीं है। कोई ऐसा इज़म नहीं है, कोई ज्ञान का, अध्यात्म के नाम पर ज्ञान में उलझने का कोई चक्कर नहीं है। दो जग मतलब दो जग मतलब इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ टू, डुअलिटी में, द्वैत में। और द्वैत क्या है? तृष्णा और विचार द्वैत में चलता है। जब हम तृष्णा विचार में होते हैं तो द्वयी में चलते हैं। राग या द्वेष से चलते हैं, भूत या भविष्य से चलते हैं, चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए से चलते हैं, अट्रैक्शन रिपल्शन से चलते हैं, इड़ा पिंगला से चलते हैं, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव एनर्जी से चलते हैं, ऋण धन से चलते हैं। ये द्वयी जग जाए काल में चलता है। इतनी सिंपल क्लियर कट सादी बात, कोई फिलासफी कल्पना की फिलासफी नहीं, जमीनी फिलासफी, तत्वज्ञानी बात। सती सती भाष्य गोरख राय, ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू, ये सत्य की बात, ये सत्य की बात गोरखनाथ कहते हैं। सो सम एक्सप्लेनेशन इन इंग्लिश। दिस द सेंस ऑफ दिस sabadi and the earlier sabdi number 284, it is absolutely the same. The matter of compassion, observation, meditation, emptying and deepening, flowering of compassion, mercy. Mercy and compassion are synonymous words, as in Hindi, daya, karuna. Daya or karuna, like that is mercy or compassion, they are synonymous words. So, a new thing in the sabadi is that with no compassion, he is in the world of duality. If emptying of the consciousness and deepening of compassion is not there, then what is he, what you or me, what we are, what a person, a normal person is, or maybe he is extraordinary in this or that field, but if this learning of life is not there and emptying of the consciousness is not there, then he or she is in the world of duality. And this is very important to understand the world of duality. What is the world of duality? The world of two. So the world in time, thought and desire goes in duality, of attraction or repulsion, of past or future, of desiring with positive, negative, positive energy, negative energy, ida energy, pingala energy. And this is what? Sun and moon, ida and pingala, attraction and repulsion, craving and aversion, raga and desh. All this is thought and time, desire and time, thought and desire. The world of time, thought, desire moves in duality by nature, and this is what duality is. This duality or duality is nothing to do with that Dvaita, Advaita, Vishishta Advaita and all that ideas and beliefs and aerial philosophies, imaginary philosophies in the name of religion or life. Nothing to do with that. This duality is the word of duality is word of desire, word of thought and desire, word of attraction and repulsion, the movement of life in time through us. That is what the word of duality. And without meditation, observation, and emptying, we go in the world of duality, in desire and time, in past and future, in attraction and repulsion, in ida pingala, not sushumna, not presence, not observation, empty observation, not presence of the mind with with freedom from the known. So observation, emptiness, and emptying of the consciousness, deepening into life, flowering of compassion, life is all related, shared. So without compassion, with no compassion, with no meditation and emptying, so mercy and or compassion, he is in the world of duality of time, desire and time, past and future, and like that. True, very true, says Gorakh Rai. This sabdi and the earlier sabdi are same. So when looking into this sabdi, maybe you are advised to look into the earlier sabdi to know about the matter of compassion, mercy or compassion, daya, karuna. All the sabdis are so compact, so beautiful, so acute and complete with brevity. This is the beauty of Gorakh. Buddha is acute and complete, but vastly, with all very many details, infinite, very many details clearly. So, Gorakh is to know the Gorakh, to know Gorakh through Sabadis is to know about life in brief, and through Buddha it is going into details. So, it is said that there is no way to bypass the Buddha when one has to be on religion, but the Gorakh, the sense of Buddha, Siddha Buddha sense, Gorakh or Buddha and so on, they are all the same. Same clarity, transparence and emptiness and emptying. Let us care for Gorakh, let us care for Buddha, and let us care for any such masters from wherever, from whatever time, throughout the world they are. Let us keep intelligence awake. That is what is said in Siddhas say, Age Age Gorakh Jage. Let us keep intelligence awake, body awake.